Journalist mess. I am all done. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am doing an organize with me. I'm going to organize my craft table, which is just a big mess. Throughout the week it just random stuff just keeps getting piled on. This is the current state of my craft table. Look at that journalist mess. So for this box, I want it to be Cameo supplies. All my blades, all my markers, all my squishy stuff. So I want this to be my Cameo. And I got one more box left to be just like supplies. And then this giant box right here, I just want that to be all my back stock and my card stocks. Alright guys, so I am all done organizing my craft table. I got this craft table from Micheals, and I think it was like $130 or something. But yeah, I forgot what it was called. I might put the name of it on the screen, but I like it. It has this little table, which is what made me want to get it. And then it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers. If you want the little table on the right side, you just turn the table around, and then the drawers, you gotta remove them and then put them on the other side, and then you'll have the little table on this side. You just gotta turn everything around, and it has wheels on it so you can move it around. See? They also have locks. Alright, so on this top table right here, I have this little file holder, and it just has my little paper cutting thing. I don't know what the specific name is, but it's a paper cutting thing. I have my macrame board right here, and then I just got a bunch of notebooks. I'm a notebook hoarder. Never finish them, have lots of them. And then this is just my little keepsake box. Got it for Christmas. It's glass on top, wooden. So that's that. Then I have my big camera. This is the 80D with the pancake ones for the 24mm. I also have this thing right here. I don't know what it's called, but it's a overhead tripod. You can move it like this. Has little locks on it to keep it from moving. The ring light doesn't come with it. I added it on, and the little ball thing that comes with this tripod sucks, so I put the Joby on there and it holds it really well. I kind of like just rigged this shit with all the stuff I have. Right here I have my Cameo. I have the white one, white Cameo. I just put this little towel over so it doesn't get all dusty. Like, look. There's already dust in here. We have a dog too, so that's all his dog hair. I have my bracelet making box right here. In this box right here. Oh, and then these little safety locks did not come with the table. I bought these on Amazon because when my son was like 8 months, he would crawl up to it and then start pulling everything out. I would recommend getting this if you have a little toddler going through all your drawers right now. This drawer, I just have all my cords for my bracelets. Alright, so this is all of my vinyl stuff. I don't have a big selection yet. I have my little scale for orders. I have this empty paper towel roll for my Cameo. When I put the mat on there, it'll keep it from like wobbling everywhere, and it'll help it move it instead of just dragging. So I have cardstock to make my bracelet packages with. See, this is the only bad thing about this store. You can't make it too heavy, otherwise it'll just fall off this little thing. So for the top, this is my plugs and electronics drawer. This has wheels, and I want to be able to like move this from this wall to another wall. So I have this little plug right here for this desk. Like I have the plug for the Cameo in here, the plug for the ring light in here. I even have an iPhone charger. I want to be able to unplug this plug from the wall and then move it somewhere else in the room. So that's why I have a electronic drawer, and then over here is just like my lens and a bunch of electronic random stuff. Alright, so this second one is my packaging drawer. I have all my little small e-com bags, the big ones. I got my double stick tape, my highlighter. I have my thank you stickers. I'm gonna make more of these stickers for my bags. I have tissue paper, I have the clear shipping label right here, and then scissors, and then I have the larger e-com bags. So that's that. And the third one is my Cameo stuff. I have all my Cameo pins over here. By the way, these ones suck. Don't waste your money on them. I would rather use the marker adapter and use like markers if you want to print with your Cameo. Do not buy these. These ones suck. And then I have gel pens for the Cameo, markers for the Cameo. I got these from the dollar store. This one's for when you're beading the vinyl, and then all the extra stuff you can put in here. I got razors, tweezers, measuring tape, and then I got extra razor blades, 3-hole puncher, painter's tape, and then these little squeegees. Almost done. I got 1% left. So this last one is just my supplies. So I got lighters for my bracelets, glue sticks, glue, pens and markers, staplers, thumbtacks, a bunch of razor blades and knives. These are for my thermal printer. For the stickers that I put on my packaging. And then I got lint rollers, and then packing tape, and then another hole puncher. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next week for a new video. Bye guys.